Which enzyme is responsible for the digestion of proteins in the stomach? A. Amylase. B. Lipase. C. Pepsin. D. Maltase. Answer: C. Pepsin. Pepsin is a proteolytic enzyme secreted by the stomach that breaks down proteins into smaller peptides. The digestion of carbohydrates begins in which part of the digestive system? A. Stomach. B. Mouth. C. Small intestine. D. Large intestine. Answer: B. Mouth. Salivary amylase, ptyalin, in saliva begins carbohydrate digestion in the mouth. Which organ produces bile, which aids in the digestion of fats? A. Stomach. B. Pancreas. C. Liver. D. Small intestine. Answer: C. Liver. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and helps in fat emulsification. What is the primary function of the large intestine? A. Protein digestion. B. Water absorption. C. Fat emulsification. D. Enzyme secretion. Answer: B. Water absorption. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes and forms solid waste, feces. Which hormone stimulates the secretion of gastric juice? A. Insulin. B. Gastrin. C. Secretin. D. Pepsin. Answer: B. Gastrin. Gastrin is released by the stomach and stimulates the secretion of gastric juice. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Aorta. D. Vena cava. Answer: B. Pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. Which chamber of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the entire body? A. Right atrium. B. Right ventricle. C. Left atrium. D. Left ventricle. Answer: D. Left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood into the aorta for systemic circulation. What is the normal pH of human blood? A. 6.4-6.8. B. 7.35-7.45. C. 8.0-8.5. D. 5.5-6.0. Answer: B. 7.35-7.45. The pH of human blood is slightly alkaline, which is essential for normal physiological functions. Which component of blood helps in clotting? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. Answer: C. Platelets. Platelets, thrombocytes, help in blood clotting by forming a plug at the site of injury. What is the largest artery in the human body? A. Carotid artery. B. Aorta. C. Pulmonary artery. D. Femoral artery. Answer: B. Aorta. The aorta is the largest artery, carrying oxygen-rich blood from the left ventricle to the body. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Hypothalamus. Answer: B. Cerebellum. The cerebellum helps in coordination, posture, and balance. Which nerve is responsible for vision? A. Optic nerve. B. Auditory nerve. C. Olfactory nerve. D. Vagus nerve. Answer: A. Optic nerve. The optic nerve transmits visual information from the retina to the brain. Which is the longest nerve in the human body? A. Vagus nerve. B. Sciatic nerve. C. Spinal nerve. D. Facial nerve. Answer: B. Sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve extends from the lower spine to the legs and feet. Which part of the brain regulates body temperature? A. Thalamus. B. Hypothalamus. C. Cerebellum. D. Medulla oblongata. Answer: B. Hypothalamus. The hypothalamus controls body temperature, hunger, and thirst. What is the functional unit of the nervous system? A. Axon. B. Neuron. C. Synapse. D. Dendrite. Answer: B. Neuron. A neuron is the basic unit of the nervous system that transmits signals. Which gland is called the master gland? A. Thyroid gland. B. Pituitary gland. C. Adrenal gland. D. Pineal gland. Answer: B. Pituitary gland. The pituitary gland regulates various hormonal functions in the body. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? A. Insulin. B. Glucagon. C. Thyroxine. D. Estrogen. Answer: A. Insulin. Insulin is secreted by the pancreas and lowers blood sugar levels. Which hormone is responsible for growth? A. Growth hormone. B. Cortisol. C. Melatonin. D. Oxytocin. Answer: A. Growth hormone. Growth hormone, GH, promotes cell growth and development. What is the primary function of the alveoli in the lungs? A. Oxygen transport. B. Gas exchange. C. Air filtration. D. Mucus secretion. Answer: B. Gas exchange. Alveoli facilitate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the lungs. What is the normal respiratory rate in adults? A. 10 to 12 breaths per minute. B. 12 to 16 breaths per minute. C. 20 to 25 breaths per minute. D. 30 to 35 breaths per minute. Answer. B. 12 to 16 breaths per minute. The normal respiratory rate in adults is 12 to 16 breaths per minute. Which part of the brain controls breathing? A. Cerebrum. B. Medulla oblongata. C. Cerebellum. D. Hypothalamus. Answer. B. Medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata regulates involuntary functions like breathing. What is the primary muscle involved in breathing? A. Intercostal muscles. B. Diaphragm. C. Pectoral muscles. D. Abdominal muscles. Answer. B. Diaphragm. The diaphragm contracts and expands the lungs for breathing. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for the maximum absorption of nutrients? A. Stomach. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Esophagus. Answer. B. Small intestine. The small intestine, especially the jejunum and ileum, absorbs most nutrients due to its villi and microvilli. Which enzyme is responsible for the digestion of fats? A. Amylase. B. Lipase. C. Trypsin. D. Pepsin. Answer. B. Lipase. Lipase, secreted by the pancreas, breaks down fats into glycerol and fatty acids. Which of the following blood cells help in fighting infections? A. Red blood cells. B. Platelets. C. White blood cells. D. Plasma. Answer. C. White blood cells. White blood cells, WBCs, are responsible for the immune response and fighting infections. Which of the following carries deoxygenated blood? A. Pulmonary vein. B. Aorta. C. Pulmonary artery. D. Carotid artery. Answer. C. Pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. What is the function of hemoglobin in the blood? A. Blood clotting. B. Oxygen transport. C. Immunity. D. Digestion. Answer. B. Oxygen transport. Hemoglobin in red blood cells binds with oxygen and carries it to tissues. Which neurotransmitter is responsible for transmitting signals in the nervous system? A. Insulin. B. Adrenaline. C. Acetylcholine. D. Thyroxine. Answer. C. Acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter that helps in transmitting nerve impulses. Which part of the nervous system controls reflex actions? A. Brain. B. Spinal cord. C. Cerebellum. D. Medulla oblongata. Answer. B. Spinal cord. The spinal cord processes reflex actions without involving the brain, ensuring quick responses. Which part of the brain is responsible for emotions and memory? A. Cerebrum. B. Limbic system. C. Cerebellum. D. Medulla oblongata. Answer. B. Limbic system. The limbic system, including the hippocampus and amygdala, controls emotions and memory.